and welcome back to Hong Kong Eats and Adventures. Today we're going to be making seasoned salt. So first we're going to add 1/3 cup of salt into our bowl. So next we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar into our bowl. So next we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of cornstarch. So next, we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of celery salt. 1, 2, last but not least, 3. So next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. So next, we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of onion powder. 1, 2, last but not least, 3. So next we're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. So next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So finally, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Both looking colorful. So next, we're going to add all of our seasonings in our bowl into a blender and blend it well. Blend it together. Okay, now we're going to dump this into a bowl. So let's take this bowl back. Dump this baby in. And try your best to get every single last piece. So that's how you make seasoned salt. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And Hong Kong Eats and Adventures says, bye-bye.